Okay, so good morning, sir. My name is Kenneth Lapodyebeed, and this is my lesson plan. My learning competency is identifies and describe triangles according to sides and angles. Okay, so the title of our discussion is Side and Angles of Triangle. Before we start our discussion, these are my learning objectives. So at the end of the lessons, the students will be able to, first is identify triangle, second is classify triangles according to its angles and the length of their sides, and last is draw a blueprint of their dream house that the triangles is present. Okay, so let us start our preparation activity with prayer. Please, anyone who can lead us prayer. Okay, so Reyes, please lead us prayer. Okay, and then the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay. Amen. Okay, so good morning, class. I am Teacher Kenneth, and you can call me Teacher Ken. And before we start our discussion, may I call all or getting your attendance. Okay, so who is the absent for this morning? Okay, so very good. No one is absent for this morning. So now, we will move on to our first activity. Okay, so our first activity is action song, which has triangle. So let us listen for our action song.
2, 3. Triangles have 3 sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have 3 sides. Triangles. They've got 3 sides. 3 sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have 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 3 sides. Triangles.
So we are done with our action song. For this moment, I will ask you about our past lesson yesterday. So, sino ang nakakaalala pa ng ating lesson kahapon? Okay, so kung meron pang nakakaalala, ano ang ibig sabihin ng rectangle? Okay, very good. So, rectangle is a figure with 4 straight sides and 4 right angles, especially one with unequal adjacent side in contrast to a square. Okay, so very good. So, now, give me an example of rectangle. What? Okay, a box of shoes. Katong ana o ana. Okay, so other what else? What is the meaning of square? Okay, so what is the meaning of square? Okay, so very good. So square is a plain figure with 4 equal straight sides and 4 right angles. So, give me an example of square. Okay, small box of cake, For example, like this. This is square. Okay, very good. Okay, I have been preparing activity. So for this moment, I will group you into four. So each group will make a collage of man using the cut-out triangles. Afterwards, you will put it on the board. Okay, understand? Okay, so this is for 10 minutes only. Okay, so the 10 minutes is done. So I have some questions about your activity. So the first question is, did you enjoy our activity? Okay, very good. So what is your observation about the cut-out papers? Anyone? Okay, there's a triangle. What can you say about the different cut-out triangles in terms of its sides and their angles? Okay, so now let's move on to our activity. So my questions is answerable by our topic for this morning or my discussion. Okay, so all you need to do is to listen to me upang makaintindi kayo sa aking ituturo sa inyo. Before we start our discussion, what is triangle? Anyone? Okay, so triangle is defined as a closed two-dimensional diagram containing three sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. In simple words, it is a polygon with 3 sides. In triangle, there are different types of triangles. So first is the length of their size and interior angles. So first is classification of triangles according to the measure of interior angles. First is acute angle. Okay, so acute angle is a triangle in which all 3 interior angles are less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees acute angle. The second one is obtuse angle. So obtuse angle is a triangle in which one of the interior angles is more than 90 degrees. So here in obtuse angle, ang iyang interior angles is more than 90 degrees, while sa acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Third one of interior angle is right angle. So right angle is a triangle in which one of the angles is exactly 90 degrees. The hypotenuse is the side of a right triangle with longest length. So makikita nyo sa screen ang mga pictures ng bawat isa nito. Is we have acute angle, which is the ang kanyang interior angles ay less than 90. Then sa obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees. Then sa right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Yun ang tatlong klase ng interior angles. And now, let's move to classification of triangles according to the length of their sides. One of length of their sides is scalene. So scalene is a triangle in which all sides have different measures and all the interior angles are also different. Isosceles. So isosceles is a triangle in which two sides and two angles are equal. So equal length of a triangle is shown by making an arc on each side. So isosceles have two sides and two angles are equal. Then the scalene is all sides have different measures. So mao to siya ang kalahian. One is equilateral. So a triangle has all three sides equal and all three interior angles are equal too. In this case, each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. An equilateral triangle is sometimes referred to an equiangular triangle because all three angles are equal. Of their sides in scalene is all sides have different measures, and isosceles has two sides and two angles are equal. So in equilateral is all three sides are equal. Sa aking sinasabi kanina, so meron akong tanong, ano ang tatlong uri ng triangles according to their sides? Okay, so first is acute triangle, second is obtuse triangle, and the third one is right triangle. So in the triangles according to their sides, what are the three? Okay, so the three are isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, and equilateral triangle. Different types of triangle. Okay, so now let's move on to our activity. So our activity is you will make a blueprint of your dream house that has present triangle. Based on our topic today. So you will put your dream house in a short bond paper with the criteria of first is uniqueness and originality, which has 50%, creativity has 30%, and neatness is 20%. Okay, so you will do that in 10 minutes. It's all about your dream house with represent triangles.
This is the example of triangle in real life, in acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. The example of triangle with length of their sides, in isosceles, scalene, and equilateral.
So now, please get 1/4 sheet of paper because we have our quiz. It's 5 items. Quiz 5 items. Then after that, after our quiz is we're done with our class, and then maybe we have another topic.
Okay, so now this is the quiz. Okay, so tell whether each triangle is isosceles, scalene, or equilateral on the given statement. Number 1. I am a triangle whose sides measure 3 cm, 5 cm, and 3 cm. What type of triangle am I? Number 2. I am a triangle whose sides measure 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. What type of triangle am I? Number 3. I am a triangle whose sides measure 200 inches, 300 inches, and 400 inches. What type of triangle am I? Okay, so number 4 is I am a triangle whose sides measure 12 inches, 15 inches, and 15 inches. What type of triangle am I? 5. I am a triangle whose two sides 14 centimeter and 17 centimeter. All of my sides are equal. 45 centimeter. What type of triangle am I?
Almost of you have been perfect art quiz. I'm glad na naminaw jud mo sa ako ang discussions. And for now, I have preparing your assignment which you have to draw the following on the bond paper: the isosceles right triangle, isosceles obtuse triangle, scalene right triangle, and scalene acute triangle. Okay, understand? Okay, so do you understand our discussion for this morning? Okay, very good. Thank you so much for listening, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye, class. Okay, goodbye.